Welcome to our channel. If you want to sell Ethereum and convert it to USD, follow this simple guide to cash out your cryptocurrency holdings. Step 1. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange that supports Ethereum to USD conversion, such as Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, US, or Gemini. Step 2. Log into your exchange account and navigate to your portfolio or wallet section where your Ethereum holdings are displayed. Step 3. Click on Sell or Trade button and select Ethereum, ETH, as the cryptocurrency you want to convert to USD. Step 4. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to sell, either as a quantity of ETH or as a USD dollar value you want to receive. Step 5. Review the current Ethereum to USD exchange rate and any trading or network fees that will be deducted from your transaction. Step 6. Choose your preferred order type, market order for immediate sale at current price, or limit order to wait for a specific price target. Step 7. Confirm the transaction details and execute the sale. Your Ethereum will be converted to USD in your exchange account wallet. Step 8. Withdraw USD to your linked bank account by selecting Withdraw, choosing your bank, entering the amount, and confirming the transfer request. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.